Good morning, children. Sairam. Welcome back to our online class. So, today in multiplication chapter, we are going to learn mixed problems. Okay? Mixed problems. That means in one problem, we are supposed to do multiplication, addition, or subtraction. Okay? So, see the first problem. Ritu had 3 packs of pens. Ritu had 3 packs of pens. There were 4 pens in each pack. There were 4 pens in each pack. She lost 3 pens. She lost 3 pens. How many is she left with? How many is she left with? So, Ritu had 3 packs of pens and each pack contains how many pens? 4 pens. Isn't it? Ritu had 3 packs of pens and each pack contains 4 pens. Okay? And she lost 3 pens. So, how many is she left with? So, first of all, we have to find out the total number of pens in 3 packs. Okay? So, in one pack, how many pens are there? There are 4 pens in one pack. So, we have to find out in 3 packs how many pens will be there. Okay? And then she lost 3 pens, isn't it? So, we have to subtract this 3 pens from total number of pens. Okay? We have to subtract these 3 pens from total number of pens. Then we will be getting the answer. Okay? So, see solution. Number of packs of pens, which is equal to 3. Isn't it? Ritu had 3 packs of pens. So, number of packs is equal to 3. Number of pens in one pack, which is equal to 4. They have given, isn't it? Each pack contains 4 pens. So, number of pens in one pack, which is equal to 4. So, first we have to find out the total number of pens in 3 packs. So, for that what we have to do? We have to multiply the number of packs into the number of pens in one pack. Okay? To find total number of pens, we have to multiply the number of packs into number of pens in one pack. Okay? That is, we have to multiply this 3 and 4. So, 4 into 3. So, number of pens in 3 packs, which is equal to 4 into 3. And you know the multiplication table, isn't it? So, 4 threes are 12. 4 threes are 12. So, we got the total number of pens in 3 packs. Yes. So, what is the question actually? She lost 3 pens. Then how many is she left with? So, we have to subtract this 3 from 12. Okay? We have to subtract this 3 pens from 12 pens. Okay? Ritu lost 3 pens. So, number of pens left with Ritu is equal to 12 minus 3. 12 minus 3. 12 minus 3, which is equal to 9. So, after 3, count forward till you reach 12. Okay? That is after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, the answer is 9. Okay? So, 9 pens she is left with. Okay? She is left with 9 pens. Is that clear? Yes. So first we have to find out the total number of pens, and then in the next step she lost 3 pens, isn't it? So we have to subtract these 3 pens from the total number of pens. Then we will get the answer. Okay children, is it clear? Shall we move on to the next one? Yes. So observe the picture carefully and answer the questions. So see the picture. So does a shop. He is shopkeeper. He is a shopkeeper. And see. So these are all packs of pens. Okay. These are all packs of pens. And these are all packs of pencils. Pencils. Okay. And these are all packs of crayons. Okay. Crayons. And these are all notebooks. Okay. And each notebook cost rupees 43. And each pack of crayons cost rupees 65. And each pack of pencils cost rupees 32. And each pack of pen cost rupees 55. Okay. So what is the cost of one notebook? It is rupees 43. And what is the cost of one pack of crayons? It is rupees 65. And what is the cost of one pack of pens? It is 55. And the cost of pack of pencil is 32. Rupees 32. So based on this, they have asked some questions. So we are going to answer the questions. Okay. First question. Sheena buys 2 notebooks. Sheena buys 2 notebooks. How much does she pay for it? How much does she pay for it? So Sheena buys 2 notebooks. Okay. So what is the cost of one notebook? It is 43. Isn't it? The cost of one notebook is 43. And we have to find out the cost for 2 notebooks. Okay. Cost of 2 notebooks. Okay. See the solution. Cost of one notebook is rupees 43. And we have to find out the cost of 2 notebooks. So cost of 2 notebooks is equal to, we are going to multiply this 43 into 2. 43 into 2. So 43 into 2. We are going to multiply. So start from the right side. Multiply 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. And then 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. So the cost of 2 notebooks is rupees 86. So how much she pays? She pays rupees 86. Okay, for 2 notebooks. Is it clear? Yes. So cost of one notebook they have given. And we have to find out the cost of 2 notebooks. For that we have to multiply the number of notebooks into the cost of one notebook. Okay. Then we will get the answer. Is it clear children? So shall we move on to the next one? Yes. Next question. Arun buys 3 notebooks and 2 packs of pencils. So how much does he pay for it? Arun buys 3 notebooks and 2 packs of pencils. So what is the cost of one notebook? It is rupees 43, isn't it? And we have to find out the cost of 3 notebooks, isn't it? Cost of 3 notebooks we are going to find out. For that, what we have to do? We have to multiply this 43 into 3. That is cost of one notebook into number of notebooks. Okay. Then we will get the cost of 3 notebooks. And what he buys, another one, he buys 2 packs of pencils, isn't it? He buys 2 packs of pencils. What is the cost of 1 pack of pencils? It is rupees 32. This there in the picture. It is rupees 32. 1 pack of pencil cost rupees 32. So how many packs he buys? He buys 2 packs of pencils. So we have to find out the cost of 2 packs of pencils, isn't it? For that, what we have to do? We have to multiply rupees 32 into this 2. How many packs? Okay. Rupees 32 into 2. Then we will get the cost of 2 packs of pencils, isn't it? Then Arun buys both, isn't it? 3 notebooks and 2 packs of pencils. So we have to add the cost of 3 notebooks and 2 packs of pencils. Okay. The last step, we have to add the cost of 3 notebooks plus cost of 2 packs of pencils. Okay. So see the solution. Cost of 1 notebook is equal to rupees 43. It is given in the picture, isn't it? It is given data. And we are going to find out cost of 3 notebooks. So for that, we have to multiply this 43 into 3. 43 into 3. So 43 into 3. Multiply 43 into 3. So start from the right side. Multiply 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. And then 3 4s are 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12, isn't it? So cost of 3 notebooks is rupees 129. Okay. It is 129. Cost of 3 notebooks we have find out, isn't it? And next, what we have to find? We have to find the cost of 2 packs of pencils. And what is the cost of 1 pack of pencils? It is rupees 32. And we have to find out cost of 2 packs of pencils. For that, what we have to do? We have to multiply this 32 into 2. So 32 into 2. Multiply 32 into 2. So start from the right side. 2 2s are 4. And next 3 2s are 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. 64. So cost of 2 packs of pencils is rupees 64. Rupees 64. So how much he pays in all? For that, we have to add this cost of 3 notebooks plus cost of 2 packs of pencils. So we are going to add this 129 plus 64. Okay. 129 plus 64. We are going to add. Okay. So start 9 plus 4. So 9 in the mind, 4 in the finger. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So write 3 here and carry over 1 to the next place. 2 plus 1 is 3 and 3 plus 6. 3 in the mind, 6 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So write that 9 here and write this 1 here. So the total amount he pays is rupees 193. Okay. So total money paid by Arun, which is equal to 193. Is it clear? Yes. So first we have to find out the cost of 3 notebooks and then cost of 2 packs of pencils. And in the last step we have to add these two. That is cost of 3 notebooks plus cost of 2 packs of pencils. Okay. So have you all understood, children? Yes. So shall we move on to the next problem? Yes. Next one. Soumya purchases 1 notebook, 3 packs of pens and 2 packs of pencils. So she buys 3 quantities, isn't it? What are they? 1 notebook, 3 packs of pens and 2 packs of pencils. Yes, so we have to find out the cost of 1 notebook and cost of 3 packs of pens and cost of 2 packs of pencils. So we have to find out cost of 1 notebook, cost of 3 packs of pens and cost of 2 packs of pencils. Okay. In the first step we have to find these costs. Okay. And then what they have given. Later she finds that she is not carrying enough money. Later she finds that she is not carrying enough money. So she returns 2 packs of pens. So she returns 2 packs of pens. So how much does she pay in all? How much does she pay in all? So in the second step we have to subtract the cost of 2 packs of pens. Okay. And then we have to add the remainings. Then we will get the answer. So let's do the solution. See, cost of 1 notebook is rupees 43. Cost of 1 notebook is rupees 43 and cost of 1 pack of pens is rupees 55. Cost of 1 pack of pens is rupees 55. So we have to find out cost of 3 packs of pens. For that what we have to do? We have to multiply this 55 into 3. Okay. So cost of 3 packs of pens, which is equal to 55 into 3. So multiply 55 into 3. So first 3 5s are 15. So write 5 here and carry over this one to the next place. And again multiply 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. So cost of 3 packs of pens is rupees 165. So we have got the cost of 3 packs of pens. And again what they have given? Again she bought 2 packs of pencils, isn't it? What is the cost of 1 pack of pencils? It is rupees 32. So we have to find out cost of 2 packs of pencils. For that we have to multiply this 32 into 2. So multiply 32 into 2. 32 into 2. Multiply 2 2s are 4 and 3 twos are 6. So cost of 2 packs of pencils is rupees 64. So we have got all the cost, isn't it? So again we have to add these three amounts. Okay, that is cost of one notebook and cost of 3 packs of pens and cost of 2 packs of pencils. So we have to add these three amounts. Okay, so cost of one notebook is rupees 43 and cost of 3 packs of pens is rupees 165 and cost of 2 packs of pencils is rupees 64. So we are going to add these three numbers. So shall we add? So 165 plus 43 plus 64. So we are going to add these three numbers. Okay. So add 5 plus 3. 5 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8. And 8 in the mind, 4 in the finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So write 2 here and carry over this 1 to the next place. And add 6 plus 1 is 7. And 7 plus 4. 7 in the mind, 4 in the finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 in the mind, 6 in the finger. After 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So write that 7 here and carry over 1 to the next place. And add 1 plus 1 is 2. So the total amount is rupees 272. Okay. And what they have given, she is not having enough money, so she returns 2 packs of pens. She returns 2 packs of pens. So we have to subtract the cost of 2 packs of pens from the total amount. Okay, because she returns to the shopkeeper, isn't it? So we have to subtract the cost of 2 packs of pens from the total amount. Okay. So cost of 2 packs of pens, which is equal to 55 into 2. So cost of 1 pack of pen is 55 and we are going to find out cost of 2 packs of pens. So we are multiplying 55 into 2. So multiply 5 twos are 10 and carry over 1 to the next place. 5 twos are 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. So cost of 2 packs of pens is rupees 110. So we are going to subtract this 110 from the total amount 272. Okay. So total money paid by Soumya, which is equal to rupees 272 minus 110. 272 minus 110. So subtract 2 minus 0 is 2. 7 minus 1 is 6. 2 minus 1 is 1. So the total money paid by Soumya is rupees 162. So have you all understood, children? Yes? Is that clear? Yes? So first thing we have to find out the cost of the given number of pens, pencils and notebooks. Okay? First thing we have to find out the cost of all these things. And then we have to add all these amounts to get the total amount. Okay? and then she returns some packs of pens, isn't it? So we have to subtract the cost of that number of packs of pens from the total amount. Then we will get the answer. Is it clear? Yes, have you all understood, children? So I hope you all understood. Shall we move on to the next problem? Yes? Yes. The next one, Arushi purchased 2 packets of pens, each packet containing 15 pens. Arushi purchased, so this is different. Okay, this is different problem. Okay, Arushi purchased 2 packets of pens, each packet containing 15 pens. Okay, she gave 12 pens to her younger brother. She gave 12 pens to her younger brother. Okay, Arushi purchased 2 packets of pens, each packet containing 15 pens. So first thing what we have to find out, we have to find out the total number of pens in 2 packets. Okay, and then what they have given, she gave 12 pens to her younger brother. So we have to subtract this 12 pens, these 12 pens from total number of pens. Okay, so in the first step we have to find out the total number of pens in 2 packets, and in the second step we have to subtract these 12 pens from the total number of pens. Okay, and again what they have given, her father gave her 5 more pens. Her father gave her 5 more pens. So she is having additionally 5 more pens. So what we have to do? We have to add these 5 pens. Okay. Then we will get the answer. How many pens does she have now? Okay. So in the first step we have to find out the total number of pens in 2 packets. Okay. And in the second step we have to subtract these 12 pens from the total number of pens. Okay. And in the third step, in the last step, what we have to do? We have to add 5 pens to the what we have got in step 2. Okay. So see the solution. Number of pens in one packet is 15. So we are going to find out the number of pens in 2 packets. For that what we have to do? We have to multiply 15 into 2. 15 into 2. 15 twos are 30, isn't it? 15 twos are 30. So we have got the total number of pens in 2 packs. So and in the next step what we have to do? We have to subtract these 12 pens from this 30 pens. Okay, because she gave 12 pens to her younger brother, isn't it? So we have to subtract these 12 pens from these 30 pens. Okay. So number of pens Arushi gave to her brother is 12. So number of pens left with Arushi, which is equal to 30 minus 12. 30 minus 12. So subtract. So borrow 1 tens. So it will become 10 ones and becomes 2 tens. So 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2 is 8. And here 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So number of the pens left with Arushi is 18. Okay. and her father gave her 5 more pence, isn't it? So we have to add those 5 pence to this 18. Okay. Then we'll get the total number of pence Arushi is having. Okay. So we have to add this 5 to this 18. Okay. Thus the number of pence now with Arushi, which is equal to 18 plus 5. 18 plus 5. So after 18 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So how many pence she is having? She is having 23 pence now. Have you all understood, children? Is that clear? Yes. So with this we have completed the multiplication chapter. Okay. So practice all the problems at your home. Okay. And study the multiplication tables. Okay. Be thorough with the multiplication tables. So hereafter, based on these tables, there are more sums will come. So if you are thorough with the multiplication table, then it will be very easy for you. Okay. So be thorough with the multiplication tables and practice all the problems. Okay, children. So see you in the next class. Take care.